Cora, Beck, Tron. Every grid has its heroes. The Ark grid fractures into the glitch, but one program stands against that storm. Exo. You. A hero is nothing without their grid. Exo fights for hers, against those who would tear it apart. She must escape Core, but escape is not enough. A loop cannot be broken without a change in conditions. Break the Loop program.